Section 4. The business case for corporate social responsibility. At the end of this session, you should be able to understand social responsibility and business. Identify the types of corporate social responsibility. Social responsibility and business. Social responsibility is expected from all types of organizations. The central and local governments, businesses, pollution control organizations, universities, and schools. So the central and local government is expected by the society or the community to provide services to the local community and to preserve or improve the character of that community, but at an acceptable cost to the ratepayers. So we expect the government to give us the right necessities for our day-to-day life at a rate at a price that we can afford, and not a price that is quite ambiguous or unaffordable. Then we have businesses. Businesses need to provide goods and services which reflects the needs of users and the society as a whole. So if you want to set up in a community, you need to identify their needs before you set up. So if your services or your products are not meeting the needs of people in that community, then in a way you're not being socially responsible to them. Pollution control. It is important for the organization first to ensure that the environment is not polluted. That aside, pollution control agencies are also supposed to ensure that organizations keep the environment in which communities are situated clean from pollution, air, water, and land pollution or land degradation. It's very important. Then you have universities and schools. Universities are supposed to produce students who have values and knowledge to contribute to the organization and to the society at large. So before universities release students into the organization, their ethical needs should be met. They should also have the right knowledge and the right skills to contribute to societal needs. Types of corporate social responsibility, CSR. One, we have environment focused CSR. So the environment focused CSR is a CSR initiative that is geared towards ensuring that the environmental needs are protected. So here we are talking about the pollution that we just heard. So the land, the water, the resources in the organization should be in the society or the community should be well kept. It should be well protected for sustainability needs. Because if you are an organization situated in a particular community and you use their resources and you don't protect it, how are they going to be able to get enough resources to meet the needs of the future? So this CSR type is more focused on the environment, protecting the environment. We have the community-based CSR. This one, you are more interested in doing something for the benefits or for the welfare of the community that you find yourself in. So the community as a whole becomes your social responsibility. How do you provide for the community so that it can gain sustainable preference over other competitors in the organization? You have the human resource based CSR. Here you are more concerned about the well-being of your own staff. How are you going to retain your staff, reduce labor turnover? It's very important that you treat your staff with ethical values and needs, and also make sure that you are socially responsible for their welfare. You have the charity-based CSR. This is where organizations receive or pay donations to the society that they find themselves in to make sure that their social responsibility needs are being provided. Corporate responsibility, is it a commercial necessity? So here, is corporate responsibility a commercial necessity? How does organization benefit from corporate responsibility? Corporate responsibility will not become central to corporate strategy until managers perceive a direct link between it and profitability. So that answers the question. Yes, it's a commercial necessity, because if you work towards ensuring that you are delivering on your social responsibility to the organization, to the environment, to the people, to the community that you find yourself in, you are going to gain favor. It's going to promote your economic value. So it becomes a commercial necessity. It's going to reduce the amount of labor, the rate of labor turnover. So you're going to get retained staff. That means you're going to reduce recruitment costs. You're going to get large pool of recruits to choose the best from. So this corporate social responsibility is a commercial necessity. It is very important. So as a manager, identifies it and perceives it as a direct link between profitability. The organization may not be making enough profits, but when you identify, recognize, and you assess the needs and work towards it, it becomes a commercial necessity for the organization. We've come to the end of the session. We've learned about social responsibility and business organizations. We have identified the types of corporate social responsibility. We have also learned the direct link between corporate responsibility and firm profitability. See you in the next session. Bye.